The former Toros machine-building plant is on fire in Moscow. The area of the fire reaches 4,000 square meters. More than 100 employees of the Ministry of Emergency Situations and even a Ka-52 helicopter were involved in extinguishing the flames. It must have been something important.
Пожарные машины стоят. Процесс идет. Кто узнает место, вон экоферм, этот Еврофлор желтенький. Завод Торос. Где-то там.
Bulava unit within the separate presidential brigade repelled a big assault in the direction of Berdyansk, presumably Staromayerska-Urozohain, where Russians stepped up offensive activities. Several pieces of Russian equipment were destroyed. It's impossible to breathe. There is garbage here, we piss here, we shit here. The feeding window is closed, the doors don't open. Wounded Russian soldiers are being held in a military unit in Yekaterinburg and forcibly sent back to Ukraine. As one of the soldiers told Astra Media, the men are beaten there, threatened with jail, and forced to return to the front line. The man himself managed to escape and is now in hiding. According to him, in his hometown, law enforcers have already searched his home and even his wife's workplace. My wife is in shock. My 12-year-old daughter has been told that I am a traitor to the motherland. According to him, he was not in Ukraine. The man decided to refuse military service back at the training stage in Orenburg, where nothing was taught, they were drunk and used drugs. I was there for 2 months and saw nothing but drunkenness. I came to the conclusion that I didn't need it, that I made a mistake, overreacted, watched TV, he said. It is widely known that Russia is famous for its complete disregard of human life, and the man claims to just have found out.
Вот так, короче, мы сидим в такой комнате, окна закрыты полностью, нахуй, дышать невозможно, все, нахуй, банда здесь. Не выходим, нихуя, здесь же мусор, нахуй. Тут же срём, ебать, ни постельного нихуя нету, вот. Окна вообще не открываются, нахуй. Кормушка все закрыта, нихуя не открывается. Ни двери, нихуя.
In the Kupiansk direction, a Russian BM-21 Grad MLRS exploded after being hit by an FPV. Why the Swedish aid package can be called historic. As part of this package, Sweden will transfer to Ukraine an ASC-890 radar reconnaissance and control aircraft. There is currently no such equipment in Ukraine. The F-16s themselves cannot make much of a difference for Ukraine. Complex systems are what make a difference. This aircraft will help detect targets at greater distances. In recent weeks, Ukraine has been actively destroying Russian air defense, opening the way for arriving F-16s. A-50 planes are also shot down. There were also attacks on the Voronezh M and Voronezh DM long-range detection radars, located 1,500–1,800 kilometers from Ukraine. Ukraine leaves Russia blind and reduces its ability to monitor Ukraine's military activities. More and more countries are lifting restrictions on the use of provided weapons for targets in Russia. Among them are France, Lithuania, Latvia, Sweden, Estonia, Poland, Finland, Czech Republic, Great Britain, and the Netherlands. We are all waiting for the US statement. Skabiva and Solovyov look very sad on Russian TV. Putin too. This summer, Russia will feel very bad. Putin slams his fists on the table. Apparently, everything is no longer going to plan. Officials should feel mobilized. It is necessary to understand what historical stage Russia is living through, Putin said. Dictator Putin ordered the entire nation to mobilize and work as if everyone is on the front line.
Все должны работать как на линии фронта. Все должны чувствовать себя мобилизованными. И только так мы добьемся тех целей, которые перед собой ставим. В современных условиях по-другому работать нельзя. Нужно наладить тесное сотрудничество всех органов власти, исполнителей национальных проектов. Именно от этого будет зависеть эффективность нашей работы. И только тогда мы добьемся целей, которые ставим перед собой, как уже сказал, и которые нужны стране.
Russian MP Mironov has called for the abolition of the Russian Unified State exam, similar to SATs in the US, calling it idiocy that will make girls never give birth again. Cannon fodder is much more important than science to Russia these days.
В ожидании заданий по физике, по информатике, по литературе. 7 часов находились в помещении, в духоте, без воды, без еды, без ничего. А если я вам скажу, спросите врачей. Вот у нас и говорят, какой у нас замечательный, все, у нас так все хорошо. А вы спросите врачей, сколько у нас больных сахарным диабетом? Сколько у нас девочек рожать не будет уже никогда? Потому что стрессы. И все. И у них сразу идет это гормональный сбой. И все из-за этого идиотизма. Пора прекращать издеваться над нашими детьми. Я еще раз это говорю. Ничто не стоит здоровья наших детей. Если мы с одной стороны говорим о решении демографической проблемы, а с другой стороны мы гробим наших детей прямо на пороге взрослой жизни. Надо прекращать это безобразие.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.